In this video, we will be going over how to incorporate graphs into your scoreboard assignments, as well as how to record the grades for the graphs, since the scoreboard program cannot automatically grade graphs in real time. So this is the example of a professor's answer key. We have some instructions for the students, as well as the data set and the graph we want to have them generate. If we run the answer key through the scoreboard program, the student's view will look something like this. They won't have any possible points or earn points for the assignment, or I guess for the sheet if it's multiple sheets on the assignment, but it will look very similar to the professor's answer key. So we have the instructions as well as the data set we are going to generate this chart with. So this graph is made into a model so students can just drag it over, and we are going to put our finished graph in the top left corner of this yellow cell. But first, let's make this graph. So to make this graph, we need salary by age. So we get the age in the salary columns, and we are going to get all of the data for that, like so. Then we are going to go up to Insert, Scatter Plot, since that's the kind of graph that we have. We'll pick this one here. Okay, so now we need to drag this over into these the top left of this chart or graph needs to be in the top left corner of that yellow box so that the program can grade it through the recorder. Now all we need to do is fix the chart elements and we should be done. So first, let's change the title. Let's go down here to this, the axis, and we need to change the minimum to 20, like so, and the maximum to 38. Awesome. Now what we need to do is go over to Chart Design, add Chart Element, Axis Titles, Primary Horizontal. We will rename this one, Age, since that's what we have on the bottom. And then we need to add a chart element, axis title, the vertical one, and we will name this one Base Salary. Base Salary. Awesome. So our chart now looks like the one generated on the professor's answer key. If we go something like that, there we go. Awesome. Now, since we need to run this through the scoreboard recorder grader feature, and let's go ahead and do that. So to do that, we need to open up the scoreboard program and then go over to this recorder tab. It will bring up something like this, and all we have to do is hit this record grades button. We can change the amount of points the assignment is worth or the learning management system that we use, but we are going to leave it like this for now and hit this record grades button. This will bring up all of your files, and we are going to go ahead and pick the start file for the graph, like so. Then we have a save location. We'll just save it to our desktop. After the assignment is done running through the recorder program, the start file that we have completed this on will look something like this. Once the file has been generated, the start file will look something like this, where the student will receive 7 of 7 points for their graph, and they will earn their points for this assignment.